Hi everyone, my name is Zah. In this video, I will show you the tool that I make for the helicopter lab, but it can only be used for many uh, other projects that need the factorial design calculation. So to run the tool, and this is the Python tool. Here, and you run it by run code Python, and the tool will ask you so generate template or analyze file. So we do generate template number one, and how many factor that we gonna do. So basically, in the helicopter lab, we have four factor: body width and body length, wings length, and paperclip. And when you hit enter, it will create the Excel file. So we can see here on the top say tutorial template. So now we go to the folder, we'll see it. Open this up, and here is the template. And what we need to do is fill out the record the run. So I have record run here. So I'll just copy this record data. So now paste in the record data, and we save it. So we can save it. Let's say helicopter lab. I'll save. Close. Now checking it. So it have the helicopter lab here, and go back to the code. Run it again. So analyze the file. Number 2. Enter the file name helicopter lab.xl. So we see it calculate here, and also popping up the chart. Let's see here the body width will affect minus 0.06 second. For the body length, if we increase it, the body length, if also affect minus 0.1 second. For the wings length, so if we increase the wing length in this test, we increase the wing length, and it increase the flying time also by 0.078 second. And the paperclip, if with the heavy paperclip, it can decrease about 0.5 second. So when we close it, it will ask you we wanna save this calculation. Yes, and it creates the file for you. So here is the file, and we go to open the file, and it calculates for you. And we have the mean effect 0.78, negative 0.548. Thank you for watching.